Hello and welcome everyone and welcome to this vlog. And yes, today on this auspicious occasion of Teachers Day, we celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. I am here in front of you to tell you my teaching story. So, when I decided to leave my well-paying, well-rewarding, a highly reputable job and join teaching as a profession, my mom asked me, is teaching a remunerative profession? Are you taking the right step? And my answer to my mom was, well, I don't know. I don't know enough. The only thing I know is that I have a passion towards teaching. So yes, there was a time when teaching was considered not a remunerative profession. It was not considered as a highly paying or highly rewarding profession, but yes, it was considered a noble profession. I am really lucky to be present in an era where teaching profession is not only a noble profession, but is also a remunerative profession. And yes, one can see an amazing career in teaching profession. If you are passion driven, then anything and everything can be remunerative. Passion is the only thing, compassion is the only thing, feeling to serve other people is the only thing that can make you reach to the heights which you ever want. And yes, in my journey of being a teacher, of the much coveted CMA profession, I would like to thank all of you, all my students, all my YouTube subscribers, all the teachers, all the colleagues, all the friends, all the people who have supported me in this journey. I would like to thank each one of you for your sincere contribution to making me what I am today. And yes, with this determination of serving all the students, with this determination of having a selfless serving spree, I wish all of you a very, very happy Teachers' Day. With this small message, I would like to end my dialogue over here. Tamso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityur ma amritam gamaya, asato ma sadgamaya. So the Vedic scriptures have always desired to move from darkness to light, from illness to healthy life, and from false to truth. And the only way to achieve all these three objectives is education. So education is the only thing that can remove all your doubts, that can remove all your queries, that can help you achieve your aim, that can help you achieve success in life, be it materialistic, spiritual, or any other kind of success you can achieve only and only through education. And I feel blessed enough, I feel motivated by this feeling, I feel confident, I feel very humbled that yes, God has chosen me to be a medium to impart this noble thing called education. So, a very, very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. And yes, tomorrow is CMA Foundation Students Examination. Fingers crossed for all the CMA Foundation Student Examination guys. Do well in the online examination. Please revise MCQs a lot and see all the MCQs videos which have been shared on my YouTube channel. All the very best. I would like to see all of you in CMA Inter very, very soon. On this positive note, happy Teachers' Day. All the very best and happy studying.
For latest updates and information on entire CMA profession, just subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification on the latest videos which are being uploaded on the channel. For products related to paper number 19, paper number 20 for final students and paper number 12 for intermediate students, log on to www.agrawallawhouse.com. It contains the compilation of handwritten notes, books, reference materials and video lectures of these three subjects. If you have any further query or you want to speak to me personally for any kind of counseling, you can call me at the number given on the screen.